Hi, Robin with Oxy-Dry, and as you can see, I am finishing off this crampy bedroom, and I'm using my new Hoover Hushtone 13-inch and the excellent vacuum anyway. This one is being a 13-inch, it's really quite nimble and a little bit better option in a scenario like this. As I mentioned in a previous video there, but anyway, let's vacuum some carpets. So this is the post vacuuming, and if you look at the first video where I was cleaning, you see how badly stained up this carpet was, and how completely stain-free it is now. So showing how well our system works. The carpet is almost dry. The customer did not want me to move anything. And it's a pretty crampy situation. Yeah. There were a lot of stains on this carpet. And a very dark traffic lane right down the middle here, which is completely gone. There is wear on this carpet. It is, I think it's around 20 years old. Actually, it's got to be at least that. I don't think this carpet was replaced. But it's cleaning up really well. Nasty stains are gone. Let's go over here. There's a whole bunch of really nasty things over here. See something there, which I thought I would have to use Oxy on, so I will treat that one before I'm done. It'll fade away. A little right there. Actually, it looks like a dent. Oh, there's a dent there. That's definitely a dent. Maybe there was something sitting on here. Alright, well, we'll deal with that. This interior was very, very soiled and badly stained up. And it's looking good. Looking wonderful. And in my last video, I actually had gone down the hallway, the wood floor there, and she was so impressed with that, she wants me to come back and clean the wood floor. So we're making an arrangement for that. I've got another job to do down the hallway here. I'm going through units here, one right after the other. The gentleman saw me in the van in the parking lot, so he phoned up the office and wondered why I wasn't at his place yet. Assuming maybe I was lost or something, so okay. My wife texted me and let me know. He's all worried about me. I know where I am. Okay, so I do have a couple of spots to treat. That one over there, and one actually right there, a little tiny spot. So we'll deal with that, and I'll let you go. So thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.